What if I told you you can make over $1,000 every single month without investing a single dollar? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, it's possible thanks to AI tools. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that people are already using to make money online while they sleep. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. The first tool is ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can create content in seconds: blogs, emails, product descriptions, even ad copies. Thousands of freelancers are already selling these services on Fiverr and Upwork. For example, you can charge $20 for a single blog post. Just 50 clients a month, and boom, that's $1,000 in your pocket. Tool number 2, Canva AI. The second tool is Canva AI. You don't need to be a designer. Just type what you want, and Canva creates logos, social media posts, and even full presentations. People sell these designs on Etsy, Gumroad, or directly to small businesses. One logo can sell for $30 to $50. Imagine creating 20 logos a month. That's more than $600 already. Tool number 3, Opus Clip. And the third tool is Opus Clip. It instantly converts long YouTube videos into short, viral TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. You can offer this as a service to content creators who don't have time to edit. Many charge $10 to $15 per short. Do just 100 shorts a month, and you're easily crossing $1,000. Proof and motivation, Fiverr, Upwork. The best part: you don't need money to start. All you need is a laptop or phone, and these AI tools are free or have free plans. That means zero investment, but unlimited income potential. Start today. So, which AI tool will you try first, ChatGPT, Canva AI, or Opus Clip? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more passive income hacks using AI. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.